Hi, my name is Vida Me. My student code is 610210029. I'm from Faculty of Education. Today I will present about my beautiful pets, that this is parrotfish. Let's go! Biology. Parrotfish is named for the dentition, which is distinct from other fish, including other rabbits. Their numerous teeth are arranged in a tightly packed mosaic on the external surface of their jawbones, forming a parrot-like beak with which they left algae from color and other rocky substrates. In addition, parrotfish can also be considered as a coral conservationist. Swain. The original parrotfish is usually red, but now they are strange colors. It is sold in many markets, such as blue, green, yellow, and purple, including parrotfish that are formed from crossbreeds from the crossbreed cichlids, such as tri-gold parrotfish, flowerhorn parrotfish, and super red parrotfish. Behavior. Parrotfish have a habit of digging up and often has a fearful character. Sexual differences. Males have long and slender male tubes with point end, while females have larger sex tube and have an obtuse triangular base and protruding tube.